Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency in your Google Play. First is click on your Play Store app. Go to your profile picture at the top right corner. Click Payments and Subscriptions, Payment Methods. Click on More Payment Settings. It will redirect you here. Once you're here, click on the three lines at the top left corner. Click on Settings. Just scroll down. Under Country and Region, just edit it and create new profile. Continue. And choose the country or region that you want. For example, Afghanistan. Click Continue. After that, you just need to fill this up. Once you click on Submit, it will change your country and profile and the currency that you choose. That's it. That's how you change your currency in your Google Play. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.